Hello and welcome to my kitchen. In here today I'll be showing you how to cook delicious cabbage that is lean with some ground chicken. For my ingredients, I have cabbage, it's shredded already, some carrots, some tomatoes, some ground chicken with green herbs, thyme, onion powder, some salt and seasoning powder. I also have onion, chopped parsley, hot pepper, ginger, garlic. The ginger and garlic is frozen. So in my already washed cabbage, I'm going to pour in some hot water to blanch and some salt to taste. Leave it for about 10 minutes and then pass it through a strainer to drain the excess water. And make sure to squeeze out any excess water as well. Now let's begin the cooking process. So I already had oil in my pot which I have heated, and now I'm going to fry my onions. Fry until it's a little bit brown or transparent. It helps to bring out the flavor. I'm adding my ground chicken, which I'm also going to fry on high heat. Keep stirring so it doesn't clump up together. And next I'm going to add my chopped tomatoes. My ginger and garlic and my hot pepper. Combine everything and let it cook for about 10 minutes. I'm tasting for salt and to make sure my spices are okay. You can adjust for salt and seasoning according to your needs. Just combine everything together and then let it cook again, maybe for another 5 minutes. And next here I'm adding carrots, and my chopped parsley. Just so everything can cook together at once, I'm adding the cabbage as well. So it's actually cabbage and collard greens. Once more, combine everything together. At this point, you want to leave your pot on low heat because you don't want to overcook your vegetables. Once everything is well combined, leave it on the stove for about 2 more minutes and then your vegetable is done. Remember, your pot is hot, so your vegetable will continue cooking even when the fire is off. I hope you did enjoy watching my video. You can eat this delicious cabbage stir fry with some rice, with some potatoes, or just by itself. Please share this video, hit the like button, and subscribe to my channel for more contents like this. Bye.